All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1038, Brown case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Brown, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, my sister, Jazz, she drops her 4 children off at my house all the time. I have 1 child. That's all I had. And so I'm looking to receive some child support for these children because I'm taking care of them more than she is.
And how many children did you say?
She has 4 children.
And all 4 live with you?
Yes. I'm just going to say they do. Yes.
Do they or don't they?
They're there all the time, so yes.
Okay. How long have they been living
all
with
the
you?
time?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm talking to her. I'm not talking to you. You will have your opportunity to speak in just a moment, okay?
Welcome back. Today's episode features a deeply emotional and long-standing child support case. Ms. Brown steps forward to explain that for the past 3 years, she has been caring for her sister Jazz's 4 children at her own home. Despite already raising a child of her own, Ms. Brown has received minimal assistance in supporting all 5 children. Now at a breaking point, she is seeking child support to help cover their essential needs. The judge listens attentively, recognizing the weight of the responsibility Ms. Brown has shouldered. As both sides prepare to present their cases, the court braces for an honest and fair discussion.
Thank you. So, how long have they been living with you?
For about 3 years now.
3 years?
Yes.
That is all the time. Okay. And has your sister given you any type of child support for her kids?
No, she has not. She'll give me $20 here and there, but
$20 for 4 kids?
$20, yes.
What about health insurance? How are these children covered under health insurance?
They do not have health insurance.
Because you won't put them on there.
Excuse me. That's the last outburst from you, okay? Thank you. Health insurance, is it available through your job?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is.
So if I were to order that the children are enrolled in health insurance, you're able to do that through your employer?
Yes, I am. I work for an advertising firm, so
okay.
Yeah, they should be able to
do you know about how much it would cost?
Roughly $250 for all 4.
Okay, $250 for all 4. Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want to let me know before I move over here to your sister?
No, you can talk to her.
Okay. Now it's your turn.
Okay. First off, those are her nieces. She never says that when I drop them off.
Those are your kids.
I understand that. But I'm trying to make a living for me and my kids. I'm an upcoming artist. I have to go to clubs every night to make appearances.
What kind of artist are you?
I sing and I rap.
I've never heard you.
Okay, well, do you get on Spotify? Because I'm on there. I can sing for y'all right now.
No, thank you.
Look.
But, I mean, here's the reality of it is you have 4 children that you need to support.
I
regardless.
am supporting them.
You're not supporting them, giving them $20. $20 is
her
not $20. Excuse me. $20 is barely enough to purchase 2 of them something to eat at a fast food restaurant.
Okay, I drop them off with some little Debbie cakes sometimes. Like, they're good. It's a
Did
snack.
you really just...
Ms. Brown begins her testimony with heartfelt clarity. She explains that she has been the children's primary caregiver for the past 3 years, and during this time, financial contributions from their mother have been rare and insufficient. She shares the challenges of providing food, clothing, school supplies, and medical care on a limited income. None of the children currently have health insurance, adding to the daily stress. The judge acknowledges Ms. Brown's efforts and sacrifices in maintaining a stable environment. With the facts laid out, attention turns to Jazz, who is preparing to respond.
They are 5, 4, and 3. Like, they don't need no big old meal or nothing.
5, 4, and 3. You're missing
Yes,
1.
ma'am.
You don't even know
I have
how.
twins.
Oh, okay.
They're both 5. Yes, ma'am.
2, 5. So you expect her to support 4 children off Little Debbie snacks? Is that what you're telling me
provide
here
the Little
today?
Debbie snacks. So how is she supporting them off of Little Debbie snacks?
And you think there's nothing wrong with what you're saying, right?
No. I'm doing what I can.
Well, you need
I
to sing
am.
some more because obviously you're underpaid and you need to be paying your
Ma'am,
sister.
I'm upcoming. so I can be underpaid. I'm getting whatever I can get. I do nails on the side too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So how much are you making with doing nails?
I mean, whenever I have a client, like every day, maybe $300 a week, maybe that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how much of that do you give your sister besides $20?
Whenever I
Zero.
get that, I give her a little bit of something.
No, that is unacceptable. And the fact that you came in this courtroom and actually admitted that is very sad.
Admitted what?
That you have not been supporting your children. You know what? I'm not about to play this
I
game with
have
you.
been.
Obviously, you came here to waste my time. You have not been supporting them with $20 and Little Debbie snacks. And don't say
She's
that
talking
again.
about a couple
No, ma'am.
times $20.
Oh,
A
sorry,
couple of times
put
is a
food
couple of
in their
times.
mouth
Excuse
when
me.
they're home with
She
me.
drops off.
Hold on 1 second. Excuse me. It is not her responsibility to take care of your children. If you are going
I
to leave your,
understand
excuse
that.
me, you obviously don't understand because you're not listening to what I said. If you are going to leave your children with your sister, first of all, it needs to be an agreement that she even wants to take in 4 additional children.
If she didn't want them, she could say that. She's
No.
never said that.
No, it
I
doesn't matter.
definitely
These are
said
your
that.
No, you
children,
haven't.
not hers. So you know what's going to happen today? You're going to pay her some child support, and it's going to be more than $20. I can assure you that.
Jazz takes the stand, ready to explain her perspective. She states that she believed her sister was willing to help and that she has been focused on building a career in the arts, with part-time work providing nail services. However, when asked about specific support for her children, Jazz confirmed she has only occasionally provided small sums of money. The judge responds firmly, emphasizing that raising children requires consistent and reliable support. The courtroom watches closely as the responsibilities of parenthood are clearly outlined. They are not optional, and personal goals do not negate parental obligations.
Now, you said you provided this. Who? Never mind. This tax return. Who did this?
One of her boyfriends.
No.
One of her
He
It
boyfriends.
was
does
my
tax-
last baby daddy mafia. Okay. He did it for me.
Oh,
He been doing
okay.
taxes for years.
Right, and he reported you at $30,000 a year.
Yeah, about that.
That's all you make.
Yeah, just about that.
Okay. Let me go ahead and calculate these numbers because you obviously came here to waste my time. So at $30,000, I have your gross calculated at $2,500
Yeah.
a month. Excuse me? Are you painting your nails in my courtroom?
Yeah, I didn't have time because I had to be here.
Go
this early in the
ahead and
morning.
put the top on that nail polish because I need you to pay attention when I read these numbers off to you. Because
know
I
what
can assure
make.
you, I can
need
assure
to know
you,
what I make.
I can assure you it's going to be more than $20. How about that?
That's
Girl, you
fine.
see what I have to deal with.
I definitely see what you
I
have to deal with, but you know, I can't necessarily control how your sister behaves. That is up to her. But we can make sure that you are receiving more than $20,
I
okay?
appreciate that.
So at $2,500 gross, that brings your net to $2,004. And you said $250? Okay. So your child support obligation for 4 children is going to be $701 plus.
$701. I can't afford that. I got gas.
Oh, now
I
you're
got
paying
food,
attention.
I got a.
Oh, okay. So
Whatever.
$701
Yeah.
plus the $250 comes out to $951 a month. That's what you're going to pay your sister.
I don't have that, ma'am. So
Well, you know what? It doesn't
whatever
matter.
you need to
So
do.
why do I see you on
ordered.
Instagram popping bottles at the club? Why do I see that?
Guess what? Guess what? It
'cause
doesn't
guys
even
bought
matter.
that for me.
It doesn't even matter. You know why? Because you're up and coming, which means one day you're going to be up and you're going to be coming to pay this $951 in child support. Is there anything further?
No.
Is there anything further?
I ain't got that. I already told you that.
Okay,
I mean,
so you don't
can
have
write
any
it
other
up, but-
questions? All right. You all are dismissed.
As the hearing concludes, the judge reflects on the legal principles guiding the case. In Texas, the person who has physical custody of children, whether a biological parent or not, is entitled to seek child support. This means Ms. Brown is legally permitted to request assistance, given her role in providing daily care. The judge reinforces the importance of financial and emotional responsibility, reminding all involved that basic necessities like healthcare, education, and shelter are not extras. They are rights every child deserves. The episode closes with a message to viewers. If you know someone facing a similar challenge, speak up or reach out. Every child deserves a secure and supported future, and the family court exists to help ensure that future is protected.